YouTube, what's going on, y'all? Another day outside, man. With my brother. Yeah, yeah. Hey, shit. Oh, yeah. Morgan, it's a nice day. It's hot as shit. Man, I gotta get this content. It's crazy, bro. I'm about to, backed up in so much content, bro. I mean, the dog stuff and body shape. This summer, sometimes summer, she already in shape. She good. She ain't gotta be worried. She ain't gotta be worried about too much, y'all. My brother, yeah, my brother, yeah, your phone is so clear, bro. Record too much. You don't gotta record too much, bro. Too much, bro. Yeah, edit. I'm already editing content. I edit. You feel me? But, alright. Ready to break my phone. Like I tell her every time. Karen, once you locked in something, she's locked. You gotta just deal with it. Karen, my bathroom. You're walking her territory, y'all. Answer it. Who calling you? Nana. See what we doing. Yeah, that's apparently already called. Come here. Come here. Right here. No. Okay, bro, I might use it. It's empty. It's empty as hell. Still. Yeah, the car in that garage and shit. It's laying right here. I was like, man, Calvin. And I was wondering, every time I come over, I'm like, why can't I go over here and go to yours? You feel me? You're in new environments, man. So you're eating stuff. How you gonna get sick, bro? You over eating stuff. Go over here. Over eat. I'm ignoring her because she's the one that does that shit to herself. She got herself sick, bro. Huh? Sure. You'll be the one throwing up. Just know that. But yeah, y'all. I mean, you out here, bro. I always do. Normal stuff. This me, bro. Working her out and doing what we supposed to do her. Come, Kyra, what are you doing? What you watching, baby? The dog that. And what I go do? I don't know. I'm just trying to figure that out. Good. That's what I'm saying. Like, I tell you, bro. Going is it's fun. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I like recording, so it's annoying, but I can care less about it. But if it's like, man, business itself, content itself, man. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, bro. You know what I mean? Like, enjoy doing what you're doing, bro. Like, kids misunderstood through something, bro, in life. Or questions, bro, or ask questions. Do all that for what? Always feel free to, hold her. Always feel free to ask questions. No matter what. You know what I mean? If I already asked questions, y'all feel like y'all have. You know what's crazy? You like record, it's public. I don't know this, bro. People want. Motherfucker, that's what you do. Content. You from doing content. I know that for sure. Huh? Bam. Bro, every fucking freaking man. Yeah, man. Like, that's what we do. Like, that's what we do, bro.
Like when that nigga picked me up.
Whoa. This is what you want to do. But other than that, I'm going to tell you, bro. You can't ready for you're stronger mentally, physically, in the state, day by day, bro. You gotta realize, bro, like, man, even a relationship problem or a family, like, I know it hurts, bro. You get done, bro. Make sure you get done. Oh. Yeah. He's far. Don't eat nothing. Stop. Yo, yo. I'm about to tell you again. Keep trying to eat stuff. Chill. Not at all. But, alright. I'm about to turn. Huh? Keep elevating, bro. Y'all stay tuned to the outro. Long ass crazy walk. You feel me? Do some shit. It makes me mad because I know that she don't mean to do it. Shit though, man. Huh? Trying to do, bro. It don't go your way. It's okay. Down. I can live it down, bro. You know what I mean? I can live it down. You know what I'm saying? I just want me. As long as I'm staying happy with her, that's all. That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Corvette, guys. Corvette, woo.
I can't be like
I can't be a seller, bro. Like, never. Get low on camera. I don't see little girls doing. Yeah. Wait. That shit happened. There's a bus coming.
big butt.
Fire. Yo, it's lit. Yo, I can see everything from here. It's so good. We good. Man, have fun. Live life. Buses come, do everything. Cars come. You guys learn to put your dollars. You can find your niche. It's okay. It's okay. You know what I mean? You can find your niche. If you do find your niche, bro, I'm gonna tell y'all. Remember where you come from. Remember where you come from. Be mad at it's a car. It's a car right there. Yeah. Or dad be mad.
Or dad we made never get up for nobody. Don't get up for nobody.
Another car. Everybody, man. Like literally, that's about your life. Don't go ahead. Go by the yeah.